Where we're at now, it's foothills, it's flatland, farmland. That's our Turtle Mountain. That's our mountain, so it is beautiful country. My name is Elmer Davis. I am a vice chairman of the Turtle Mountain Tribe. I have a small cattle operation, and I had my well decommissioned, and that decommission provided a new water source, and it gave better quality and quantity to improve my small cattle operation.
I work with the tribe by providing assistance in programs and practices that they may be of interest to. Just a question may lead into an application, then into a potential funding opportunity.
We have a tribal liaison that communicated the benefits and the practices in the program to tribal members, and that's how it was relayed to me. So I went to the NRCS office, looked at the practices, the programs that were available, and they had the feedlot program, which I applied for and received, and that enabled me to build a feedlot along with the forage programs that were available through NRCS.
The benefits of decommissioning a well are, it's kind of a big picture answer to that. Environmental concerns, contaminated water, fresh water supply with the new system. But I think NRCS have been a good partner in helping tribal members, especially Elmer Davis's family, and prosper a little bit.